This video tutorial I will explain how to use a web browser. A web browser is a program using that you can visit websites like Google, YouTube, Facebook and more on the internet. Common browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Microsoft Edge. How to open a web browser? On a computer, double click on the browser icon on your desktop or taskbar. On your phone or tablet, tap the browser app in your app menu. Here you can see the browser icon of Google Chrome. Double click to open this. And here you can see the browser icon of Microsoft Edge. Double click to open it. Now we will see main parts of a browser. Here you can see the address bar where you type website addresses like this. And next one is tab. This is first tab in this whole window. This is the another tab. This is another tab. In first tab, I have opened google.com. In another tab, I can open youtube.com. And in another tab, I can open another website. So using tabs, we can open multiple websites in the same window. Here you can see the back button and forward button. Using that, you can go to last page or next page you visited. Here you can see the reload button. Using this, you can refresh the page if it does not load properly. Here you can see the home button. If you click on this, it will take you to the default home page. Here you can see the bookmarks bar. This is the place where you can save favorite websites for quick access. Here you can see the three dots. Click on this to open menu or settings. And here you can see history, downloads, bookmarks and list, tab groups, delete browsing data. Here you can see various options. How to visit a website? Click on the address bar at the top. This is where you will type the website address. Type the website name like www.youtube.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. The browser will load the website. Here you can see the address bar. How to search the internet? Type in what you want to search, like best pizza near me. Press enter. This submits your search query. View the list of results from search engine like Google or Bing. How to open a new tab? Click on the plus button located near top tab area. A new blank tab opens, ready for your next task. Type in another website or search. Begin your next browsing activity. Now we will see how to bookmark a website. I want to bookmark this website. Then click on this star button and provide the name and which folder you want to save and click on done. Suppose if you want to remove the bookmark, click on this, click on remove. And in all bookmarks, you can see the saved bookmark. What is private or incognito browsing? Using this option, you can browse without saving your history. In Google Chrome, click on this, click on New Incognito window. In Firefox, click on this, click on New Private window. In Edge, click on this, click on New in Private window. How to download files? Find the file you want to download, click a download link or button on the website. The file will start downloading automatically. You will see the progress at the bottom of the browser. You can find the downloaded file in your downloads folder. Access your files when download completes. Using a settings option, you can change the settings like change your home page, clear your browsing history, manage downloads, turn on dark mode or other features. Click on this. Here you can see the settings option. Click on this. Now we will see how to clear the browser history. If you want to delete a visited website, go to the menu, then click on history, then click on clear browsing data, then select what you want to delete, then clear the data. We will see how to do that. Now we will see how to close tabs or browser. To close the tab, click on this. To close the whole window, click on this. Tips for safe browsing. Only open trusted websites. Look for HTTPS in the address bar. It means the site is secure. Don't click on suspicious links or pop-ups because they could contain malware or scams. Changing your browser. The browser can be Chrome, Firefox or Edge. Chrome is fast and good for Google services like Gmail, YouTube. Firefox is more privacy focused. Edge is good for Windows users and uses less battery. You can download a new browser from your current browser by searching download Google Chrome, download Mozilla Firefox, download Microsoft Edge. Basic troubleshooting. If page is not loaded, press the refresh button. If browser is slow, close unused tabs and restart the browser. If ads popping up, avoid clicking suspicious links. Final tips for beginners. Always type website names correctly. Use bookmarks for frequently visited sites. Close tabs if you are not using to speed up the browser. Never enter passwords on suspicious websites. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.